After receiving a lot of comments and emails for the dimensions of the previous project, Pull Down Shelf, we finally decided to make this video. And today, we'll show you how we went about the project and share the secret tip for designing the same. During that, we will learn how to customize and make pull-down shelves for your own required space and needs. Let's find out more. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Well, it finally happened and we made this explanation video after a long time. So we will start by explaining the very basic version of pull-down shelf, and you can personalize it later into your designs. The dimensions in this project were the ones we were interested in building and also important for machining, especially the mechanism part. Alright, so let's get started with the details and understanding of the parallelogram mechanism. So this is a reference shelf and we will use this to learn the designing and dimensioning process. Here you can take the outer box according to your dimensions. All the dimensions we will discuss further are universal and can be applied to any size shelf. The parallel motion linkage is a special case of 4-bar chain in which the equal length of the opposite sides of the parallelogram ensures that the inner shelf and our outer box remains parallel. First of all, we need to make sure our parallelogram is aligned with the center line. The distance between the two bars can be within 180 to 160 mm. This corner would be 100 mm from the outer box. The other one is 120 mm. The upper corner will be 80 mm from the inner shelf and the opposite corner will be 60 mm. The red circles denote the position of holes of inner shelf and the blue ones are to be drilled in the outer box. Now coming to the front view of the shelf, we already have the dimensions of outer box. So taking that as a reference, we will calculate the dimensions of inner shelf. From both the sides and top, the clearance needs to be 40 mm. Now we will measure the height of the box and let's say it is h. Using this h, we will calculate the clearance between the bottom of inner shelf and the outer box. We will call it C. Finally, subtracting clearance from the height h, we will get the height of the shelf. This is a formula to calculate the clearance, which is h divided by 3.5, which is C. Height of the shelf will be h minus C. Please do not forget to keep 40 mm clearance from the top. Also, please note that I have used 20 into 20 mm square stainless steel pipes as the bar in this shelf. The write-up of this video with additional images and the dimensions of the shelf I made can be found in the description below. So, this was a guide for building personalized pull-down shelves. Create your own beautiful furniture using these experiences and personalize it into your needs. It is super simple. Thanks for watching everyone. Have fun making. If you found this video helpful, then like, share with others and make sure that you are subscribed for more.